Good evening. Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, today I'm going to start with a new topic, which is articles. We are going to start with a new topic, articles. Okay, so who knows what is an article? Tell me. Who knows what is an article? Articles. What are articles? Or anybody in the class who knows what is an article? Yes or no? No? Have you heard of a and the? Did you?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
What are these called? Articles. A and the are articles. Okay. Keep your books closed. Do not refer your books. Okay. So
Excuse
A.
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, for the exam also this will come.
No. Exams, you have finished with your class test, everything now, right? Only worksheet 1 to 9, that is your parts of sentences and nouns. Okay. I'll share the screen. Okay. So what are articles? Articles. Articles are a and the. Okay. See, if I will say this is dash pen, what will I say? This is dash pen. A or an?
A.
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 It is dash apple.
An.
An apple.
An.
Yes, so everybody knows to use a and an in the sentences, right? Yes.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So we are going to learn today more about articles. What is an article? How it is? How many types of articles are there? Okay.
Ma'am, I joined now.
No problem, Siddharth. So there are two kinds of articles. How many kinds of articles are there?
Two. Two times.
One is definite articles and other one is indefinite articles. Which are the two articles? Definite and indefinite articles. Okay. How many kinds of articles are there?
Two.
Two. What are the two articles?
Definite, definite or indefinite.
Yes, and indefinite. Okay. Everyone quickly switch on your cameras, okay? So there are two kinds of articles. One is indefinite
Definite.
and the second one is definite. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of definite article? Anybody knows what is the definite articles? I said definite articles is a and an. We use a and an as a definite articles. So how? What is the use and what is the meaning of definite articles? 1 minute, okay? So as I said, indefinite articles we use a and an. Okay. When do we use indefinite articles? When do we use and what is the meaning of indefinite articles? We use indefinite articles when we talk about one noun or singular noun. This is a pen. This is a pen. This is a book. This is a phone. Like that, when I have to tell about a particular about anything one which is in number one, I will use the article a. Okay. First point. The second point is when I have to tell something in common, anything in common, I will use indefinite article. Indefinite article, which is a and an. Okay. For example, an apple. Which apple we don't know. Anna Grace is sitting on a chair. We don't know which chair. She's sitting on a chair. The kids are reading a book. Which book? We don't know. A book they are reading. Any book they are reading. Anything which is common, we will use indefinite article a or an. Okay, so two things now you will remember. First thing, when do we use indefinite article? When it is a singular noun, one noun, okay? Second, when we have to talk about something in common. When we have to talk something in common, we use indefinite article. See, I'll give you one example of indefinite and definite article. This is a pen, sorry. This is a pen, okay? This is a pen. So here we are talking about any pen which is there, okay? It's a common, it's an indefinite article, a pen, okay? Then if I'll say the pen is black in color, I'm talking about this particular pen, then we will use the article, definite article. Then we will use which article? Definite article. Understood, you all?
Yes.
I will
Yes.
explain more about the definite article in the next class. But now you have to remember what is indefinite article. When we talk something in common, it is called indefinite article. In a general sense, like a fan, an umbrella, a board, a pen, a book, a boy, a table, a chair, a flower, anything in common. If I tell, we will use a or an. Okay, is that clear to all? Yes, no? Okay. Okay, now we will learn more about, okay, everybody knows what is a vowel, vowels
Yes.
and consonants.
Yes.
Yes?
Ma'am. Yes. Ma'am. Yes.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what are vowels? Who will tell me?
Anagri.
Who will tell me what are vowels?
Ma'am, Daros.
Okay, Daros, tell me.
A, E, I, O, U.
Okay. Okay, who will tell me what are consonants?
Anagris.
Yes, tell me.
Consonants are letters that doesn't include the vowels.
Very good. That doesn't include the vowels. Okay. So, which are the letters? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Yes or no? Okay. But whenever we talk about articles, we will consider the vowel sound and consonant. 1 minute, okay? Because this, give me a minute. Okay. So what is the sound of apple? Egg. Ice cream. Again. So all these vowel sounds here we are using o. Yes or no? So what are the sounds of a consonant? Who will tell me what are the sounds of a consonant? B, k, d. Yes or no? I'll write once again the consonant. Then you all tell me the sounds. Okay. Okay. So who will tell me the sound? Anay, can you tell me? Anay,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the sound of consonants.
B, K, D.
B, K, D, F, J, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, s, t, v, z, y, z. Okay, these are the consonant sounds. Okay. Now everybody understood what a vowel sound and consonant sound, yes or no?
Yes.
Now we will learn when should we use article A. When should we use article A? Okay, when we have a consonant sound, when the word begin with a consonant sound, when the word begins with a consonant sound. I will give some example. Okay,
Ma'am, you're stuck.
I'm stuck now. Is it okay?
Yes. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Which is the sound? Which is the word? Which word is this? Which is this word?
Boy.
Boy. And which is the sound over here? Which is the sound over here? B. Okay. Now, which is the word? Which is the k? Which is the word this? Unicorn. Yeah. Which word? B. Very good. So, if you see B, K, Y, V, all these are starting with the consonant sound. They are starting with the consonant sound. So, which article will we use? Which article will we use? A or an? A. So, a boy, a car, a unicorn, a one coin. Okay, here you can also say, ma'am, but this word, 1 minute, I'll change the color. You all can say, ma'am, this word is starting with a vowel letter. Yes or no? U and O are vowels.
Yes.
But what are we considering here? What are we considering here?
Consonant.
Consonant.
Sounds. We are considering consonant sound. So unicorn, uniform, all has yeah sound. So we will consider it as a consonant sound and write A. Okay. Who is unmute? Now we will learn about and, when to use and. And we will use which sound when we'll use? Vowel sound. Vowel sound. Okay. Now I will give an example here. Apple, egg, ice, are, then umbrella. Okay. So tell me, which is the sound over here? A. Which is the sound over here? A. Ice cream, A. Here, whenever we have any letter, sorry, whenever we have H and O, so we will silent when the first letter is H and the second letter is O, we will silent the letter H. H will be deleted. One more example I will give you, honest. You remember everybody knows this word honest, right?
Yes.
We will delete H and we will pronounce from O. R.
Honest.
Honest. Okay? Then umbrella. So now all these words are starting with a vowel sound. So what will be the article we will use here? An apple, an egg, an ice cream, an hour on an honest boy, an umbrella. This much clear to everyone?
Yes.
1 minute, okay? Do you all know what is an abbreviation? Do you all know what is an abbreviation?
No.
No?
No.
Do you all know short forms? Short forms, we use short form.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Like if somebody is there at your home studying, MCom or BCom, your elder brother or sister, your real relatives, or MBA. Have you heard about MBA?
Yes.
MBBS, PSC exam, UPSC,
Ma'am, MCQ.
LLB, MCQ, any question like that. So if we have any abbreviations, okay, any abbreviation, we will again follow the sound of the alphabet. We will follow the sound of the
Alphabet.
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 Who will read this word?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes,
BCom.
this one.
Ma'am, which?
First one.
Ma'am, BCom.
First one.
B.
B it is. First one. Now what it is?
MCom.
Yes,
M.Com.
MCom. First one MCom, BCom, MBA, MBBS, TSC, UPSC, LLB.
LLB.
Okay, so now which is the pronunciation here? Which is the pronunciation used here?
Alphabet.
Alphabet.
Pronunciation. What is the word of the alphabet? What is the pronunciation of the alphabet? Is it ma or M?
M.
So what is the sound here? What is the sound here?
Yeah.
M.
Eh,
M.
think
M.
again, think again.
A.
Ah. What is the sound here?
A.
Now, BCom, which is the sound?
B.
B.
MBA.
B.
Ah. Again here, MBBS. Ah. E. Here. A. So now tell me, as per the abbreviation, if we go, what article we will use? A or, sorry. A, what happening? A or and, which article will we use? First one. Which article? A or an? Tell me which article?
A.
Sound is a vowel sound. And. Sound is a vowel sound. Sound is a consonant sound. Consonant sound? A. Vowel sound? And. Consonant, sorry, vowel sound? And. Consonant sound? Consonant sound? A. Vowel sound? And. Is this much clear to everyone?
Yes.
So there are two types of articles. One is indefinite and the second one is definite. Indefinite and definite. So in the indefinite, we use a and an. Whenever there is, we talk about something in common or general sense, we use the article a or an, depending on the sound of the vowel or consonant. Is that clear to all?
Yes.
Will share my board once again.
I have a doubt.
Ask your doubt.
Ma'am, you have told if the words starting is HO, then it will read as the H is silent,
Oh.
right?
Yes.
Ma'am, so for I thought how we will tell the hot word.
See, hot in some way it is okay, but not like a hot horse, okay. But some words like honest or are, some words we have to keep it silent. There are some words, as I'll tell you, there are some words, HOT hot, HORSE horse. We call it her, right? With the sound her.
Yes.
But
Yes.
honest, 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 we keep it silent, right? H.
Yes.
Everybody has learned like honest. We should not call it honest. We call it, we read as honest. An hour or an hour, we call it. What is the time? It is sorry. How many hours to complete your class? And half an hour more. An hour more, sorry, an hour more. So like that, we use, in some words we will use, we'll delete H and we will use only O sound, okay? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes?
I have some network issues.
Who?
Ameya.
Amaya, no problem. You continue. You sit. No problem. There's no issues. Okay. If the class gets disconnected, you join back. Okay. You can keep your video off. Okay. Now, Anna Rose, can you read?
Okay, ma'am.
Read. Sorry. 1 minute. 1 minute. Sorry, extremely sorry. 1 minute, wait. The wrong.
Ma'am, haven't we already learned adjective?
No. It is by mistakenly the 1 minute. The wrong PPT came up. Okay. 1 minute. Give me a minute.
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
I did not share. 1 minute. I'll share it now. Okay. Now, Anna Rose, read.
Ma'am, can I read?
Wait, Anna Rose was going to read
There
now.
are two kinds of articles.
Indefinite.
Indefinite articles A and an. Definite articles and articles the.
Very good. So as I told, articles are a and the. There are two kinds of articles. One is indefinite. The first one is indefinite and the second one is definite. Okay. In indefinite articles, it is a and an. Indefinite article, it is the. Lazel, please read the first one, Lazel.
Indefinite articles. A and are indefinite articles because they are used for indefinite noun,
An indefinite noun.
common noun, and in general sense.
Yes. A and an, as I said, are indefinite articles because we use it for indefinite noun like common noun, anything in common or in general sense. Okay. Then the second point, Advait, second point.
Can I read?
Wait,
Can I read?
wait. Advait, read the second point. Please, when you tell can I read, tell me your name also. Sometimes I cannot see you.
Devananda.
Devnanda, third point you read. Advait, can you hear me?
Yeah, ma'am.
Read the second point.
A and used before a singular noun.
Yes, a and an is used before a singular noun. Devnanda, read the third one.
A is used before a noun that begins with a consonant noun sound.
Okay, so as I said, A is used before a consonant sound. A table, a car, a unicorn. Here the sound is Y. A one-eye lady. So the word unicorn and one begins with a vowel, but has a sound of y and v. Therefore, we use the article A before them. This I have explained you earlier, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now we'll go to the next one. Anne, can you read? Anne has finished reading. Anna Grace, please read.
An is used before a noun that begins with a vowel sound.
Yes, an is used when the word begins with a vowel sound, like an umbrella, an apple, an r. Here H is silent. The word r begins with a consonant sound where H is silent. Therefore, article an is used for the word are. Okay? Who will read the next one?
Ma'am, can I read? My name is Shinjiran Raj.
Okay.
And used before
Abbreviations.
abbreviations based on the pronunciation of the
Pronunciation
alphabet
of the alphabet.
with either vowels or consonant sound.
Yes. Like here, as I taught you, in abbreviation, we will use the pronunciation of the alphabet, not the word. So depending on the vowel sound or consonant sound. A BA graduate, an MCOM student, an FDA officer. Here article an is used before MCOM and FDA, as M and F is a vowel sound. Okay? Okay, everyone. So can I extend for 5 more minutes? Okay, we have 3 more minutes. Okay. So what are the two types of articles quickly?
Definite and indefinite.
Definite and indefinite. Okay. So indefinite articles, which are the indefinite articles?
A and
A and an.
Okay. And definite articles?
The.
We will use articles based on the alphabet or sound. Sound. Yes.
Sound.
Please remember we will use article based on the sound. Okay.
Ma'am, I can't.
What happened? Is that clear to all?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I'll